Coordinate geometry, also known as analytic geometry, is a branch of mathematics that combines algebra and geometry. It provides a powerful method for studying geometric shapes and figures by assigning numerical coordinates to points in a plane or in space. The fundamental idea behind coordinate geometry is to represent geometric objects, such as points, lines, curves, and shapes, using algebraic equations and expressions. The Cartesian coordinate system, introduced by René Descartes in the 17th century, is the foundation of coordinate geometry. In this system, a plane is divided into two perpendicular axes, usually labeled x and y, and each point in the plane is identified by an ordered pair of real numbers, x, y. The intersection of the x and y axes is called the origin, 0, 0. Coordinate geometry allows mathematicians to study the properties of geometric figures algebraically and to make connections between algebraic equations and geometric shapes. Key concepts in coordinate geometry include finding distances between points, determining slopes of lines, defining equations of lines and curves, analyzing intersections, and understanding transformations of shapes. The use of coordinates provides a systematic and precise way to describe and analyze geometric relationships, making coordinate geometry a powerful tool in various fields such as physics, engineering, computer science, and other branches of mathematics. It lays the foundation for understanding advanced mathematical topics and serves as a bridge between algebraic and geometric concepts.